This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so go book. So here, so this is so here we can refer the all commands. Okay, whatever we required. This is actual documentation. That's it. So if you see what is versioning control officially. So okay, so here okay, so you can read what is versioning control like in high level. If you want in high level, high level definition. So here just okay, so you can simple versioning control means so we can maintain the versions. For example, okay, so today I read the code. Okay, some lines are one script. Okay, one script. Okay, so tomorrow okay, I can modify some of the lines. I can add, I can delete something, and then I can commit my code into GitHub or Git. Right, so today code is version 1, tomorrow is version 2. So like that we can maintain the version 1 and version 2 like that also. So if you see just how it will work. Yeah, so it is right. For example, if we take in local computer, so this is not your Git or your say just local computer, okay? Local computer, right? So for example, if you want to save in local computer, okay, you can some file. For example, I have one file, so we can maintain the versions, right? Version 1, I can save some files, file 1, file 2, file 3 like that also. Just for example, that's it. Same thing. Okay. It is centrally VCS. Okay, this is also one of the repository. So nowadays we are not using this old method. Okay, old method. For example, I have two computers. Okay, I have one database, something some VCS server database. So from computer 1 or computer 2 also we can access. Means here right the versions right, so just okay, so only in that what the server only we can see in your local in your local server, so we can't maintain the versions here. If you see here the diagram 1 and diagram 2, okay, here if you see here central VCS server, okay, so this is like very old method. So okay, nowadays we are using SVN or something and all. So okay, CVS something. If you see here, so this is my VCS server database. So computer 1 and computer 2 and all. Okay. So here only we can maintain the versions and all. So if you want to maintain your local server, so we can't maintain here. Same thing. If you see nowadays, whatever we are using the GitHub SVN. Okay. So we can maintain versions in database means the version that GitHub or SVN, and also we can maintain the same thing in computer A, computer B, computer C also. We can download or we can upload whatever data you want. For example, here I have file 4 or version 4, right? Version 4 I can upload into my GitHub or SVN. Okay. Same thing, the file 4 I can download into some other computer also. Like means in all okay, in the database or the SVN or the GitHub database and the local commits also data will be sync same thing. Okay, so we can commit, we can push whatever data you want, we can push, we can pull, and we can commit. Means we can maintain the same data in our local server as well as the SVN or the GitHub database also. This is okay, just for reference only. So if you want later, so you can read this thing if you want to understand high level. Okay, Revati, push. Sorry,
Yeah.
Gaurav.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the one thing. Okay, for example, tomorrow means maybe in okay. So once you got a job, once you got the project and all, if you want to reference that comments, okay, here you can refer it. So book. Okay. So here you can refer whatever commands you need. Okay, you can see here some of the commands and all. Okay, so okay, you can see some okay, whatever. Just you can refer here. So here we can't remember all the commands. Okay, If you want any commands and all, branch, you can see git branching server something and all. So those things and all, here you can refer it. Anyway, I will give commands and all. Just for this is the one thing. I also already opened a GitHub account, right? Just open the GitHub account. So once done, so log into your server. Already we know how to log into server and all. Take public AP, open putty, and take public AP. Your server public AP. Here, right, public AP will be changed. So here, right. So if you are not using your server, okay. For example, okay. So if you are not using your server, just stop it. Go here, actions, instance state, stop. Okay. If you are not using. Once you practice done something right, so then go here and start the server, stop it. Don't terminate. Okay, don't terminate means remove or delete. You delete. Don't terminate. Reboot means I think you know the reboot. Just stop it. Okay, so instance state and go here and stop it. Again, whenever you did, start it. Why? Because so monthly we can use 750 hours. Monthly 750 hours monthly we can use in free tier. Okay, 750 hours means one instance you can run 24 hours, 24 hours. If you calculate right, you calculate. So, okay. You can calculate 750 hours per month. We can use the in free tier. The computer. If you cross right, you will get the bill. Here you don't need a bill. You don't need to pay bill and all. Okay. So for example, if you get 100 rupees, 200 rupees, the bills is okay. 200 is nothing, right? For example, by mistake, if you get like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, then no need to pay bill. Okay, just close the account again. Account with the debit. So nothing will happen. Okay, so you don't need to worry about your credit card or debit card. They won't deduct automatically. You can run one instance 24 hours. Okay, 24 hours. 24 hours. 24 hours 7, right? Okay, so 160 into 4 weeks. Okay, so you can see 7 days, 670 hours. 670 hours, right? Otherwise, like this, 24 hours into 31 days. Month means 31 days. Okay, around 744 hours. So around 750 hours you can run the instance per month in free tier. You can free tier. So that's why. So whenever you are running your instance, okay, so select your instance state, stop. Whenever again you need, go here, start. Okay, the public IP will change. Whenever you will restart your server, means stop or start, the public IP will be changed. Okay, Revati, Gaurav.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ram.
So the key will still remain same, right?
Yeah, key, everything is same. Everything is same. Only the public IP. Only the public IP will be changed. Everything is same. So your
Okay.
data also will be there. Okay, so no need to worry about your data also. Everything will be there except the public IP. The public IP is a dynamic. It's not static. Not only AWS, anywhere. But all public IPs will be dynamic. So whenever you stop or start your instance, it will change. Why? Because it is dynamic. Right.
Okay. Ram, I have a doubt.
Yes, Revati.
Actually, I'm trying to stop it, but it shows me what is it? Note any data on apparel storage of your instances will be lost. So is that okay? We
Just
can.
yeah, yeah, click OK. Click OK.
Okay.
That's fine.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay.
Sorry, I
Okay.
wrong keys. Click OK. No problem.
Okay.
Okay. See, first like okay, you will look like this. Okay, you will look like this. You will look like this. Put sudo su. What is this? Any idea? Sudo su means
You are switching it to root.
any idea?
Right?
Yeah, root.
Switching.
Here, right? Sudo su means switching to root like admin. In your Windows laptop, right, you will say admin access, right? Same thing in Linux. If you want to switch to your admin, like sudo access, admin sudo means full access. Okay, sudo su. Okay, hyphen. Okay, so you will come to you will switch to root account means the admin a kind of admin. So just clear means the window will be clear. That's simple. That's it. Okay. Here, so once you create your server, the very first time just patch means update. In Linux, right? In Red Hat, like CentOS, Oracle Linux. If you want to install something, the command will be yum update hyphen yes. Just I'm updating my OS means I'm patching. For example, it is if it is something new releases, new versions, okay, in the software or tools, it will update. So it means I'm patching my server. That's it. Simple. M update hyphen y. Okay, Revati.
Yeah, Ram.
Gaurav.
Update -y. Okay.
Yeah. Simple. Yes, just I'm updating my OS means I'm patching my server. Simple. That's it.
Okay.
It's only first time required. Okay, whenever you create new brand server, so then only we have to update our server. Okay, so daily we will not do it. In production also we will not do it. In production also, right? Very first time only. Whenever you create very new brand server, then only we have to update or we have to patch it. Okay, so later on we can patch our servers, but we have to follow some process, some change management. I think you know said the change management and all. Gaurav, I think you know said change management and all.
Change management for?
For example, right, in production, right, if you want to do something in production server, so we have to raise the tickets, okay, the incidents, the change
Okay.
management, all that stuff on that.
Yeah,
In
that term
production, right?
differs from project to project actually.
Yeah, if not, okay, right, no problem. So if you don't know, I will tell you later. I will show you.
I got it. You want to patch or you want to install a new version?
Yes. So we need to follow some process. There will be some process, ITL process.
Correct.
Okay, the incident.
The process
The incident.
is different for project to project, I guess.
Yes, definitely. Yeah. So here, right? Okay, in production, okay, you don't this command. In production servers, maybe not only production, any dev servers, testing servers, don't use this command. This command just use only whenever you created new brand servers, very first time only. So later also you can use it, but you have to follow some process that depends upon the company, depends upon the project. Okay. So here I have created very brand server yesterday. So that's why I am patching my server. Just type this command and enter it. It will take some time. What happened? Loading. right? Not contact CDS load balancer. M update. So this means, right, I think there is no internet to the server. Okay. If you see like this, okay, so there is no internet to the server. M stop it. Okay. There's no internet to the server. Public API. I got public API. Okay. I will try in the other server. Okay. If you get that, so this type of issues and all, error and all, so then there is no internet in your server. Then try in your, you face same issue, then let me know. We'll get it. I will log it to different server, other server. Yes, see you. So M update -y. Yes, wrong comment. M update -y. Okay, it looks like this. Yeah, right. In this server already I updated last time, so that's why just within a few seconds it's converted. So you can see okay, what updated something you can see here. In this case, just now only this package updated. Okay, complete. In this server, it's not updated. See, yet there's no internet in the server. Maybe why like subnet? Just 1 second, I will check why internet is not there in this server.
Ram, for me, right? I am running one instance. I got a public IP. Okay. I gave it that public IP and I imported that private key, but it says network error, connection timeout for me.
Connection timeout. Okay, share your screen.
Yeah.
Just 1 second.
Uh,
Maybe then
say for me.
make
You
presenter.
have to make me presenter.
Okay. Okay. Now share your screen.
Now we should get you.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the IP, right? You're able to see, right?
Yes. No, try to log in.
So this is the IP. Correct.
Okay.
Copied.
Okay, right. Yeah. Okay, so okay. Go there. Go the security groups. Just leave it. Go there. The security groups. Security groups. Down. Security groups. You can security groups. View inbound rules. View inbound rules. Just click. Nothing is there. Nothing is there.
So if nothing is there, I should be able to. Use it, right?
No, you can't access anything. Okay. Click that launch wizard one. That one. Launch wizard one. Click that one. Right, nothing is means you can't access anything. Okay, wait, it's coming. Just okay, just come down.
No, that's it.
No,
I think.
no, there you can see 2 lines, right? Just up the 2 lines. Down. Left side. The left side. There you can see 2 lines, 2 small lines. Down. Down. There you can see 2 small lines, right? One big lane and 2 small lines. In middle, yeah.
These.
Down. And
These.
yeah, up. Go up. Go up. Go up. See inbound rules. Come down. Okay. There is nothing, right? So nothing means you can't access anything. Edit.
Okay.
Add rule. Click. Select all traffic.
All traffic. Yeah.
Come down. All traffic. Anywhere. Source anywhere.
Yeah.
Anywhere. Save it. Come down. Just no. Save it. Save. Now you can access the server. Now try to access. No, the SSH only. The maximum SSH.
Yeah.
Maximum. Okay. Other authentication. Okay. Now browse. Yes. Easy to user.
Okay, got it. So maybe I can do it. -S or -Y?
No, sudo su.
No,
Sudo su.
you need to.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to switch sudo su. No, wrong.
Yes. Sudo su hyphen.
Yes. Now yum update. Just remove hyphen y. Yum update enter. Okay. Yeah, right. It will prompt yes or no. If you give yes, it will go ahead. Just yes. Y. Just type y. Enter. Okay. It will take some time. At least 4 to 5 minutes it will take. At the very first time. Okay. But later onwards, just within 2 seconds it will complete. Again, I'm repeating, in production, you don't do this command without proper approvals, without proper process. Don't do this. Okay. Only this command will execute only first time. Whenever we create very new brand servers, then only we will run this command. So once we set up everything, then we will not run this command without proper approvals, without proper process. Okay, Revati?
Okay. Yeah.
So here it will take some time. At least you can see all updates. What is updating? Everything. Okay. Okay, Gaurav.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Then okay, I'm taking control.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, just leave this for me. Maybe something I will take it. Okay, so just update. Once update. Yum install. Yum means so in Linux, Red Hat Linux, CentOS, in Oracle Linux. If you want to install something, then we will use the yum command. Yum command. Yum install means install. That's meaning git. The package name is git. The git package name is git. Okay. So if you test git, it will install the the default version. there's so many version sites, different version sites. So it will install the default version. Yum install git, enter. In my case, already I install. I will uninstall. Yum uninstall. Yum remove. So yum install git. Yum install git. Just it will prompt yes or no. Just give yes. It will install. So you can see here. So installed. So git. This is the full package name. Okay. If you give only git red, it will install the default version. Otherwise, if you want to install some specific version, then you can give the full name. You can check in with the official documentation or Google something, the full version, whatever version you need, you can give it. It will install. If you don't know the version, you would think just give only git, it will install it. Okay, you install, and also some dependencies also installed. Okay, some dependencies, okay, some parallel scripting, some scripting, those things. Just dependencies. Okay, any questions here?
Ram, if we put a yum install JIT mean, it will install the latest version of JIT, right?
Latest and default, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, Gaurav, any questions, Gaurav?
No, Ram.
Okay, so it's clear. What you done? So go to where you signed up. Are you okay? GitHub account. Here you can see some repositories, some new stuff or new. Okay, or here also you can go here. You can see some plus symbol, some plus symbol, new repository. Or here you can see new. Just click any new. Some name, whatever name you want, you can give. Okay, just name means your repository name, whatever your project name or your repository name means where you're going to store, update or store all your scripting, all your coding. Use some name. So here you can see public and private. Okay. Public and private. So public means anyone can. So anyone can see. So your repository. So private means here at private means so only we can provide some access to only some few guys. So, okay. You choose who can see and commit to the repository. Private. Okay, this is public. Whatever you want, you can select public. In production, right, in project, we will select the private only. Okay, private. Here, if we require, you can select the public, no issues. But in production, so we will choose only private only. So whatever you want, you can select and create. If you want to insert the readme file, you can select this thing. If you don't want to readme file, just unselect. Whatever you want, you can. Okay, up to your wish. Create. Okay, so you can see here. So there is two different type of protocols, HTTPS and SSH, and your repository link, that URL. So here the commands. So how to host, and how to download this URL in your local server. Some commands. Okay. Here you can see setup in desktop means you can set up it to your desktop also. Means you can host this repository or this project into your desktop also. Otherwise, for example, you are using any Windows laptop or some desktop or laptop, right? If you want to host, okay, so this URL or this project your desktop, you can follow the steps setup. Okay. Otherwise, if you want to download, if you want to clone this URL, this repository into your servers, then follow this link. Here you can see HTTPS and SSH. So okay, first we will discuss about SSH, then we will go for the HTTPS. Just copy this link, come to your server, so wherever you want, okay, just LL means list. It will list out all folders, files in that particular location. Okay, the particular path. Just clear cd/temp. I am going to just go some path. That's it. Go some path. CD means okay, switch directory. Sorry, CD means if you want to move to okay some directory, right? So we can use the cd/temp is now I am going to the temp directory. That directory means in Linux, directory means kind of folder. In Windows we have folders, right? C drive, D drive, something. So same like that. Okay, in Linux also we'll have some directories. /temp also one of the directory. That's a temporary directory. Go wherever you want. Okay, wherever you want. So whatever path you want, you can go it. Git clone, paste that link. Means here I'm cloning. Means I'm downloading the repository into my local server. Okay, Devati, Gaurav, any questions here in this command?
No, Ram.
Git clone means git clone some git URL means that here I'm trying to download, trying to clone that. Okay, so my repository or my project into my local server.
Okay.
Just enter. Yes. Make sure the correct. Okay, so I think as per SS keys, take HTTPS, take HTTPS link, not SSL that we have to configure the keys that we'll discuss later. The click HTTPS and take HTTPS link. So git clone. You can see cloning into something username. Yeah, just give your GitHub username, whatever you set up. My case. Okay, right. You can see you appear to have cloned an empty repository. Anyway, my repository is empty, right? It's empty, nothing is there as of now. It's empty. Just LL means it will list out. It will list out. So whatever there, you can see my repository name. So DevOps 7 AM, which I have created remotely. This is remote site, okay? GitHub means remote, like remote console, remote web console. So here I have created one repository called DevOps 7 AM. So on I cloned it into my local server. Now you can see the same name. CD. So CD means now I'm switching to my directory, my folder. You can see so now this is empty, nothing is there. We will create files. Okay, any questions so far? Revati?
No, Ram.
Revati, any questions? Maybe you are new to Linux site, so that's why I'm asking.
Yeah, Ram, first start with the CD tab. CD you said it's a directory, right? Before you start with CD tab.
Tab.
Yeah.
Temp. This
Oh.
one TMP is temp means temporary directory. Some directory.
Oh, okay.
If you see here, right? If you go here, so CD DFF. If you type DFF and H, it will list out the all our directories. Okay. So slash temp is one of the directory.
Okay. Okay.
Or,
Ram, I think what you're showing is partitions on that box.
yes, yes. CD slash go root slash means root. Here LL. Here you can see. Okay.
The
So
listing.
all over. Yes, CD slash means root. That okay, root directory. I'm going to root means the OS. Yeah, root means the OS. Okay, the OS directory. Here you can see the all directories means folders. Where user temp means the temporary directory. Just for like kind of cache, the recyclement like that. Temporary directory. So you can see here. Okay. OP run root slash opt mount media slash home that etc. Okay. These are all the default directories in the OS, in that Linux OS. Here right now, here slash cd slash temp tmp means so this one. Okay, just I went to the temporary directory. Okay, Revati.
Yeah.
So you can go where okay, you can go opt, yeah, you can go home, wherever you want. You can see, you can save it your all your data.
Okay.
Okay, cd. Okay, any questions? No questions?
No, Ram, we can move
Okay.
forward.
Okay, now I am in the my repository. So now I cloned. I cloned as you can say technically. So I cloned, but if you want to talk in general language, then I downloaded my repository from the remote web console to my local host, my local server. Okay. So now I switch it to my repository. Here you can run the code. For example, something. Okay. Whatever. Maybe you're working on Java or some whatever you want, not only code, some files also, text files also you can push, you can commit, you can update. But not only coding, or not only Java, anything, Java, Python, .NET, okay, Node.js, scripting, shell scripting, Python, anything, even text files also, you can use it. Okay, just I will create some text files for demo purpose. So VA, or I will use touch. Touch means in Linux, touch means it will create the empty files, file 1, file 2. Just here I'm creating two empty files, file 1 and file 2. Touch is one of the Linux command to create empty files. Okay, so here I created some two files, empty files. You can see here. Right, for that here, if you see that hyphen or dash means that's a file. That's a file. If you see starting D means directory. Here, right? I have some file 1, file 2. How I will know whether it is file or directory? So here, if you see hyphen, the starting hyphen, it is file.
Yeah.
If you see D, directory in Linux. So these are two empty files. You can see 0 MB. You can see 0. Here 0 means nothing is there. 0 empty files. If you want, you can insert. You can append some data also. Okay, that's up to your wish. Okay. So here, just assume that I have created two files, some scripting, some program, okay, some code. If you see git status, now you see git status. You can see here on branch master. Just leave it. I will explain later. So initial commit. You can see untracked files. See, there are two untracked files. Now I have created something, some coding, just assume some coding or some scripting or empty files or text files, something. Okay. So I have created 2 files, but these 2 files are not tracked by Git. Untracked files, file 1 and file 2. If you want to track by Git, so then we need to run this command git add your file names to include in what will be committed. If you want to track by Git, if you want to track this stuff by Git, then you need to run git add under file names. Okay, Gaurav, Kalyani, sorry, Revati. Any questions here?
No.
Revati, any questions here?
No, Ram, that JIT add means we can paste the files, whatever files we want, we just pasted that link, right? JIT add, we can
Your
file.
file names. Your file
Okay.
names, whatever you need. Yes.
Okay.
Git add. You can use file names or dot. Dot means all the files in that location. In that location, it will take all the files. Okay. Or if you can use the file names also, file 1 or file 2, like you can give it. So otherwise, just give
Dot. Okay.
dot means all the files. All. Okay. So git add, I given git add my file names. Now see git status. Git status. You can see now. Before, okay, before we can, okay, so we can see this message untracked. There are 2 untracked files. Now you can see.
Changes to the committed. Yeah.
Now my files are tracking by Git, but it's not committed. Now my files are okay, so tracking by Git, but the files are not committed. If you want to commit, your stuff with Git, you have to run the Git commit. Means I'm committing my changes. I'm committing my changes with Git. I'll show you. -, message something first or some name or version 1, whatever you need, some message, just give some message. Git commit -message, -m means -message, some message in double columns. I mean, I'm committing my changes. I'm committing my changes to Git. Enter. So after enter, you can see some message here. Okay. You can see here. Okay. Means we have to configure so we have to run these 2 commands. Once you install, so GitHub, but we forgot. So we have to run these 2 commands. So now also you can run, no issues. Yeah, just give your name. So it's only one time only one time. Means once we install Git right, the Git right. So we have to execute these 2 commands, but we forgot. So now also you can execute, no problem. Something test_test.com. Some message, some email ID, just you can give it. So that's it. Just we're configuring. So now execute git command, git commit again, git commit after message. Okay, so you can see this guy is already committed. Nothing to commit, working directory clean. Git status. So nothing is there. Okay, now I committed all my changes with Git. Again, I will run this command. No need to worry. So just type git -help. So git add means you can see. Okay, git add means add files contains to the index. Git commit means we are committing, we are recording our changes to the repository. Git clone means cloning our repository in a new directory, means local store. Okay, Revati, Gaurav.
Yeah, Ram.
Yeah.
So again, I will now I have file 1 file to write. Again, I will create one more file. Touch. Otherwise, you can edit existing file. Okay, so VI file 1. Any idea about VI? The command VI? Jyoti, Gaurav?
Yeah, Ram, it's kind of editor for Linux.
Okay. Jyoti, here that VI means it's kind of notepad. In Windows, right, we have notepad, right? Notepad. Like VI means some VI editor. Okay, using VI editor, we can update our files. Means adding lines, some stuff, deleting, modifying, all
Editing.
like kind of notepad.
Okay.
So just okay. Just press insert button in your laptop, then it will come to insert mode. Something okay. So first line, some data, whatever data you want, you can just update here and save that. And just escape button, just press escape button in your laptop. Shift to colon WQ. This symbol means I'm saving my content here. Okay. If you do W colon WQ, this symbol means it will save and it will repeat. If you want the command, right, I'll ping you later. But VA commands. You can practice. Now if you see cat means I'm opening my file 1. Okay, some data is this. Simple cat, your file name means it will open the file like notepad. Okay, so now if you see git status, you can see. So the first time just leave it, we'll discuss later. So changes not staged for commit. Same. Okay. Use git add at checkout, we'll discuss later. As usual, okay. Use git add. Git means if you update something, whatever, if you create new files or if you edit, if you update some data, whatever something, okay, then you need to use the git add command. Git add, git status. Okay, so changes to be committed. Git commit hyphen message some version 2, some message, whatever you want. Then now you see git status. Okay, nothing to commit, working directory clean. Okay, Jyoti, Gaurav, any questions so far? Very small comments. Okay, I will upload all these commands into. Okay, so later you can practice. Any questions so far, Jyoti?
I'm good.
No, Ram. We'll do practically then I'll.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here, if you see GitHub remote console, nothing is there. Nothing is there. Still okay. Still as it is only. Here, right? So whatever I did now, so I did in only my local server. Okay. If you want to push all the changes to your remote, then use the command git push. I'm pushing my changes to GitHub remote console. Git push origin means the branch name of master. Here, right, the master is the default branch. That later we'll discuss in detail about the branching and all. Here, master means the default branch. Branch means if you want to say in general language, kind of folder in our repository, right? So whatever repository we have created here, so there will be some branches. The default branch will be master. That's default. Okay, so I'm pushing all my changes to my master branch. Git push origin master means I'm pushing my changes to master branch. So give your credentials. So okay, so I added my files, I committed, and now I am pushing my changes to my GitHub remote console. Now just refresh here. Just come here, just refresh here. You can see the file 1 and file 2, whatever you pushed. Okay, the commit messages, whatever you give the message, commit messages. So okay, the commit messages here. You can see when you 2 minutes ago, and here see the commit ID, the unique ID. So just open file 1. Okay, so I have some light, some first something, some okay, I have some test like first line something. I can see here. We click commit. Just will open the commit message. So when you committed all the stuff on that. Okay, you can see no changes. Why? Because there's no changes, right? Okay, in version 1 something. You can see my commit ID, like unique ID. If you want to track like log something, so when you who committed, when committed, so using this unique ID, so we can track the or logs. You can check the logs that I will show you later. So you can see here one branch master branch. There's a default one. Your branch means kind of folder. Okay, kind of folder in remote repository. The default one is master. You can see it, master default. If you want, we can create our own branches also, like dev, text, prod, dr. I will show you later. So we can create our own branches also. As of now, I have only master, the default one. You can see only one branch. Okay, so when I committed, so 2 commits, 4 minutes ago, 2 commits. So when I committed, and who committed also, you can see Ram committed version 2. Yeah, Ram means, so Ram, the username Ram committed version 2. If you want to download, you can download this thing. If you want to download this code into your local laptop or desktop, so using this thing, you can download. Click. Okay, so this one. If you want to download zip, or if you want to clone using this thing, you can clone. You can download, or you can download zip also. Download zip. What? It's taking time. It's opening. You can see here. So okay, master file 1 and file 2. Okay, in file 1, you can open file 1. So file 1 we have some data, right? Open, right? Okay, open with the notepad, whatever you want, notepad. Okay, data, whatever we have data in file 1, you can see. File 2 is empty. In file 2 we don't have anything, is empty, right? Okay, any questions?
No, Ram.
Yeah,
Revati, any
not
questions,
for,
Revati?
not
Okay.
for now, Ram. So I'll do it today. So if I doubt it tomorrow, I'll ask you.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
So again, okay. So now I have file 1, file 2. If you want to, so touch. I'm creating empty file. If you want, you can okay. You can add some content for demo purpose. I'm creating the empty file. Touch file 3. Okay, file 3 as usual. Git status. Okay, so there's one untracked file. One untracked file. We have to track it. Git add that or that particular file name. Okay, now git status. Okay, so there's one file which changes to be committed. So we have to commit what changes. Git commit -message some some message, some new file. So whatever message you want, you can. Okay, done. Git status. You can see, so nothing to commit. So working directory is clean. Okay. Now whatever I did, git add and commit on my local server only. It will not reflect into your GitHub. If you see here, if you refresh, okay, if you refresh here, you can see file 3. If you want to see file 3 here, you have to push your changes. Git push origin master branch. As of now, I have only one branch master, so that's why I'm pushing my changes to master branch. So later we will create our own branches. Your username and password means your GitHub username and password. Authentication fail means I given wrong username or password. Okay, now I pushed all my changes from local server to remote hub or remote console. Go here, your remote GitHub, just refresh. So I can see file 3, 1 minute ago. So committed it. My commit message, our commit message here. Okay, if you open this file, so here you can see RAM. So RAM created, so new file. So okay, 0 lines. I think there is empty file. Let's empty file at 0 bytes. I think it means so it is showing 0. Okay, so latest commit means with this is my this particular commit unique ID. This is unique ID. Okay, unique ID. If you want to track, if you want to see logs, okay, we can see using this commit unique ID. Later I will show you. 2 minutes ago, history. Just click history. What it will come. Okay, just when committed, who committed, simple, the history, that's it. Okay, so any questions? Revati, what are any questions here?
No, Ram.
Okay, let's just, so, okay, we'll continue class like will 1 hour or we can extend or 1.5 hour. What do you say?
Today?
Or tomorrow also, no problem. From tomorrow also?
Yeah, we can extend it tomorrow, but today I already had a long day.
Okay, no problem.
This my call, then I joined this one. So
Okay.
let's do it tomorrow. Sure.
Okay, Revati, from tomorrow we can extend 1.5 hour. Is it okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, right. So I will upload the documentation as well as this recording. Just practice. Okay. We'll see tomorrow.
Sure. Yeah, we'll do that.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, thank you,
So,
Ram.
okay, if you have any questions, just ping me WhatsApp. I'll come to online.
Sure.
Thanks,
Okay,
Ram.
thanks.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye, Revati.
Bye, Gaurav. Bye, Ram.